Today is Thursday, August 30th. This is a 1973 to 1976 original vintage Cadillac Power Antenna. The unit was dysfunctional and I've torn it apart and totally rebuilt it. This particular unit is going to Auto Sound in Willoughby, Ohio. Matt, Craig, and Ralph, the owner. So I'll go ahead and do a functional validation test. The unit is grounded to power, and I'll touch the green wire, and the power antenna actuates the 10 inches, which is consistent with the design intent of when somebody would turn on the radio. The limiting switch limits the extents to only this distance when turning on the radio, and that's actuated by the green wire. Now I'll go ahead and touch the white wire, and the unit fully retracts and rotates until it self-parks. Now I'll go ahead and touch the black wire, and the unit extends to its full 36-inch approximate extension, and that's the black wire. And I'll go ahead and touch the white wire, and the unit fully retracts and self-parks the motor. So that's the 1973 to 1976 Cadillac Power Antenna. This unit will be shipping out today to my friend's Auto Sound in Willoughby, Ohio. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 parts for the 1974 to 1976 Cadillac Eldorado, and I have over 250,000 parts for the 1959 to 1978 Cadillacs, including repair of the power antennas and the full restoration of the steering wheels and the steering columns. Thank you very kindly.